What's up guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of ZachLab Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about the next topic, Google Search Console. In the series of Digital Marketing Fundamental, this is our next video after Google Analytics. You can check out our previous videos of Google Analytics where we have shown you how to use Google Analytics and what is the use of Google Analytics. So let's come to the point. Google Search Console. Google Search Console, also known as Google Webmaster. Previously it was known as Google Webmaster. Later on the Google has migrated to Google Search Console from the Google Webmaster. So what is Google Search Console? Basically, Google Search Console is a tool given by Google where you can track the health of your website, just like Google Analytics, where you can check the metrics of your website, how your website is performing, how much traffic it is drawing on daily basis, monthly basis, and the demographics of your website. But in Google Search Console you can check the technical glitches of your website, and plus the keywords you are getting ranked and all the HTTP errors, and you can check the sitemap also, whether you have your sitemap has been validated by Google or not, and if there are pages that has never been created but they are existing. Such type of technical things you can check on Google Search Console. So it is very important tool, it is a very vital tool where you can check the health of your website. Any type of attack, any type of spammy links, suppose someone has tried to create some spammy links for your domain, so Google will alert you, or they will send you a message where you can check like some issue is going on in your website and you can check and fix it. So it determines the health of your website. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the interface of Google Analytics. So first I would like to tell you that if you haven't configured your website on Google Search Console, first, if you have a fresh website, fresh domain, first you need to configure your website in Google Search Console. So you can search on Google, you can search on Google bar Google Webmaster. There you will get this interface and you can add your domain in this. After continuing this, if you put a domain in this and then you have to continue, you will get a code. This the code you have to copy and you have to paste that code in your website, and after that you have to verify that code in this Google Search Console. It will give you an option for verification. Once Google Webmaster confirm your website, it will start extracting the data of your website, all the domains, all the metrics of your website, all the analysis of your website. The Google bots or the Google crawlers will go to your website and they will start analyzing your data. So it will not gonna happen all of the sudden. It takes some time, like 1 or 2 days. Gradually they starting extracting the data and they put it on the analysis. So you will be able to see the metrics of your website. So this is the interface of Google Search Console. Or you can configure multiple website on a single Gmail ID or Search Console. All you need a Gmail ID to configure your website. You have to sign in through your Gmail ID and then you have to proceed for the further instruction. Okay, so as you can see, this is the metric of your website. This is the website. Here the first bar, you can see there are bars in your website like overview, performance, URL inspection, coverage, sitemaps, mobile usability, product, site links, search box, links, setting, etc. So you will see that there is an option to open report, or you click on this, you will get a report of your website, like 221 total searches you are getting for your website, and coverage, like if there is an error in any page or there are some issues that needs to be fixed. So the Google determines all this. If you click on this performance tab, so as you can see, this is the most useful tool to check the metrics of your website. Suppose your website has 20 pages, 30 pages or 5 pages, it depends. As you can see, the search type is web and the date last 3 months. If you click on this, you will get last 7 days, last 28 days, last 3 months, last 6 months, last 12 months, last 16 months, and the custom date also. You can customize the date also, so that you can get the data for the particular date, beginning from this date and ending from this date. So here if you click on last 7 days and apply it, you can see you're getting the data for last 7 days, like total clicks, total impression, total average CTR, and average position. CTR is click-through rate. We will discuss it on later videos, some technical terms. And average position for your keywords, like there are bunches of keywords which you are targeting, and what is the average rank you're going down, or you're laddering up the ranking. So here you can see in the graphical representation also, you can see the graph how your website is performing, and the ups and downs and all you can see in there. You can see the queries also. Queries means keyword. Google use the term queries for keywords. So you can see there are keywords which has been listed on this, and it is showing for the particular keyword. This is the click, and these are the impression you're getting, and this is the position you're getting. And there are multiple keywords also you can see there. So the next option is URL inspection. URL inspection, if you put any link in this URL in this box, the Google Search Console will tell you how this URL is performing. Like, is there any technical issue in this page, or is this page is indexed on Google search directory or not? Any type of error, any type of issue you will get on this page. This page is mobile compatible or not. So there is another option, sitemap. So sitemap is very important whenever you develop a website. Once you are done with the website, you have to create a sitemap for this. Sitemap is generally in the form of XML. It is a small XML file which you have to put it in your root directory, and the domain of this the URL for the sitemap is www.domain.com/sitemap.xml. So there are automatic sitemap generator also, you can find it on Google. You have to put the URL also, and these websites will generate the sitemap for you for free automatically. And there are manual method also where you can generate the sitemap according to your wish or according to your desire. Like if you have 10 pages on your what is the significance of sitemap? Sitemap generally tells search engine that your website has 10 pages, and this pages we have reported to Google. If Google finds something else in your website, and something else is reflecting in the search, when the Google crawlers come to your website and they find something else, some other domain, some other URLs and something else, they will report you that this thing is not getting matched with your submitted sitemap. So you can check on these pages and you can remove it. Mostly it happens on WordPress website. When you create the WordPress website, there are some irrelevant links that are hidden, and you won't be able to see it unless your website is not indexed in the search engine. So you can also see there is a option of mobile usability also. If you click on this in this box, you can see it is showing how your website is performing on mobile devices. Or there is a term called AMP, which is very popular these days. AMP is accelerated mobile pages. Like we will discuss, this is another deep topic, we will discuss it later, but let me give you just an overview. AMP is accelerated mobile pages, which is customized for the mobile devices, especially for the mobile devices, because mobile devices have limitations. It cannot render all the JavaScript and CSS. Like it doesn't have the capability to perform like a desktop. So some of the elements, sometimes you see you load up, you click on this website and this website is unable to load properly. Sometimes images, sometimes text, something, and pop-up, anything. So these website like AMP is like a version where you can customize your website according to the mobile device, and it fits on your mobile screen, and it renders all the required things. All the elements will come. So you can also see links. If you click on this link, you will find that what all the websites that are linked to your website. Like if you're creating backlinks for your website, you can also see the backlinks. It will reflect the backlinks also. It is very important because sometimes what happens, if someone is trying to rank you down or creating a spammy link for your website, so as you can see, you can rectify this. These such links you have not created, and these links are coming from some spammy domains. So it helps us to determine the health of your website so that it won't affect the result on the Google. And this is the last version. If you click on this, go to the old version. So this is the Google Webmaster's old version, which we used to do use previously. So earlier this version was available. Later on, Google has migrated from Google Webmaster to Google Search Console. So most of the options, you can see there are options, but these options are migrated to Google Search Console. The interface is different in terms of view, also in terms of some more options are available, but this is, I find, much better. So this is the total all overview of the Google Search Console or Google Webmaster. Thank you so much and have a nice day. If you have any questions, if you have any doubt, please comment below and please suggest us the topic for our next videos. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day.